Tips and tricks for multiple offers in real estate transaction. Welcome to our video real estate series. In a hot market, it is not uncommon to receive multiple offers on a property. Here are some tips for buyers and sellers to navigate multiple offers. For buyers, it is vital and very important to get pre-approved for a mortgage and have your finances in order. This can help you make a strong offer stand out amongst all the rest of the buyers in multiple offers. It is also important to work with an experienced real estate agent such as myself that can help you guide through the process and help you make a competitive offer. And for sellers, it is important to price your home correctly and make sure it's in good condition. This can help you attract a wide variety of buyers and generate more interest in your home. It is more important to work with a real estate agent that has the experience in handling multiple offers as well, that can help you evaluate each offer based on its merits in multiple offer situation. It is important to remain flexible and willing to negotiate. This can help you come to an agreement that works for both parties. Win-win. Finally, it is important to have realistic expectations and understand that there may be other factors at play in multiple offer situation, such as seller's timeline and other contingencies that may come up at the last minute. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you have any questions or need help with your real estate journey, don't hesitate to visit MikeBolger.ca today or call me directly with any and all of your questions at 519-616-2656. I look forward to hearing from you real soon. You have a great day.